Alright, so this video was a request and I thought I'd get it over as soon as possible. So, what you first want to do is you want to get your text up. We'll just put it right here. So you go down here to the type tool or you hit T. You can just hit T and then go over here, click, and then type. I'd actually recommend going to the captions area. Shift this over a little bit. So, here we got our text, and over here we have all of our options for it. So, the main stuff you should worry about is right here. So, text Tahoma. So, here's our font. Click on this drop down menu, and you can change it. My main font is always Rocklex World, but it doesn't change. So, what you can do, make sure you selected it, and then click anywhere on it, still with the type tool. Now double click to highlight and triple click to highlight everything. Now you go to this and you change the font there, or you can change the font before you even start typing. Now this font size, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. So for now we're gonna make it like this. Now this doesn't really matter because this is the ones that matter: vertical center and horizontal center. So vertical center means it is centered on the vertical axis, and horizontal center means it's horizontal. So this text is now fully centered. So now in the timeline here, we can extend it. So just move it like this. We can extend it for a long time. Now, the main part of the video is how to get it to roll. So first you want to click out of it. Now click on it, and on the edit tab it should just show this. And now here's the main thing. You want to click this. It's called roll. So go like this. So now when you do it, it looks like this. It rolls across the screen for the duration of the time. If you want to make it slower, you make it longer. If you want to make it faster, you can make it shorter. Just like that. And if you want to change it up a bit, so this one you don't have to have a start off screen. You can start at its original position. So right here, and then do it. Pre-roll just means how long it'll wait before it starts rolling. So if we bring it out a bit longer, we can see that we've set it for 4 seconds. So if we wait, and then it'll start rolling. This is really so we can just cut this clip, delete it, and now you can see that it waits and then it just zooms right off screen. So that's it basically right there.